Here we are, starting the day off at the garage, and basically I decided I want to make a car video, but I'm going to combine it with one of my nature videos, because usually my nature videos never appear in them. So today I just didn't want to put makeup on. So there's my arm in the garage, and then I'm going to just drive by nature-y places and film that. Should be exciting. It'll be fun. Here we go. There's some sprinklers, but there's mountains. Yeah, mountains. Very natural. And trees. That's kind of a park. It's kind of this thing on the side of the road. Woo! Look! It's one of those turnstile things in the middle of the road. What do they call it? Like a roundabout or something? Turnstile. Look. There's only a lamppost. No other stuff, no stores or other things. Alright. Here's one of the parks I used to hang out as a child. As far as I know, it's called Hillcrest Park. Because it's next to Hillcrest High. And I didn't actually hang out here very much, but every once in a while, if I just need to get away from the house, it was here. And actually, there's another park, another high school that I actually attended. This is like the school. This is a park where like a couple of friends live there by, so we end up here sometimes. But sometimes in my memory, I think it's this park, but it's actually another park that looks almost exactly like this, but it's closer to where my high school was. I go hang out. And I think about it, and I try thinking about where that park is, and it shouldn't be difficult to figure out where it is, but for the life of me, just off the top of my head, I cannot think of where its address would be. So... this is my childhood park. It's nice, huh? Got a little baseball field. Park that I actually went to didn't have a baseball field like this with little benches and stuff. It's nice, huh? Alright. Here's the park that I know we went to also. And it's next to a friend of mine's house. And that pavilion there looks kind of the same. And then I think they're having a festival or something, or maybe that's permanent. I used to not be there though. But yeah, well, good times hanging out in the middle of the night, past curfew, at a park. And as you can see, okay, you can't see it. Well, it closes at 10 p.m. So all kinds of danger. Here's a golf course. Look at that. Yeah. Golfing and trees. And now they like cut the lawn and keep it green with sprinklers and other stuff. It is actually pretty green. They call it greens. People talk about this one a lot whenever we go past it. I think I've been in the parking lot before to pick up somebody picking up golf clubs, but yeah, so okay, there's a road across going to the lumber company where they ship out a lot of wood. And so this big lumbering facility. And I've just been driving for a little while and some guy take pictures and stuff. That. Yeah. Car. Truck box. Let's see how long it takes until I can actually find something that could fit into some kind of nature thing. See, Texas barbecue. Chili, Mexican grill. And there's another pine tree. I don't know, is that good enough? Pine tree, trees. Now you will notice that there is a steady mixture of trees, plant life, with urban setting and upholstery stores and services. That used to be called the Palladium, the thing that we just passed. Somebody made up a story about like crushing their mic into the sleep post. Now it's like a dark hair apparently. I've been in there before. It has a mighty exquisite ramp of stairs that I think would keep children entertained. Alright, good. This is a park I wasn't really ever cool enough to go in. It's downtown. It's got like big roads along. So go to the park because it still scares me. Yeah, I'm just gonna take some video footage. One last stop. Car ride. There's another park. This park I used to play when I was like a kid. They had like a big jungle gym over there. Does it actually have any like robotic or anything on it? It's still pretty neat. And now for the exciting part of the building. Park. Whoa. And that is Tracy Avery. I'm out there maybe once. Like maybe once. When I was like all interested in hand lift fee that they have to go in there. Okay, maybe it was twice. But I haven't been there. I've been invited because everybody wants to see all the new trees and everything. How little birds are living. Can't even see a bird. See a bird? It's a bag. Bird sign. That's not a bird sign. Anyway, yeah, I used to hang out here all the time when I was a kid. I also come out here and like walk around sometimes. Just because, I don't know, it's a rather popular park in the city. There's no specific reason to go here except for that, except they put like little attractions and other stuff for kids and people and parents to enjoy. And I knew somebody actually lived near here, so they like that. And there's some people who like a cool place to hang out with nearby. I'm not sure it is anymore though, because actually I never actually hung out with any of the cool people. Found out where they were hanging out one time. Point of interest. But just in case they still do, somebody might figure out where this is. It'll still be a mystery for everyone. And that little... Oh, whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a bush. Once again, trees are the answer. Trees. Trees are the answer. That was what I was saying. What was I saying? Oh yeah. This concludes my nature tour car version. And been a pretty exciting day, I would say. And so, yeah, hopefully I'll actually post this on time, like on Wednesday, like I'm supposed to. But I'm been kind of, I don't know. It's like I'm relaxed. Like I'm taking like a little vacation, but I'm like really high strung. Quite frankly, I've been working on doing all this acting and art stuff for like a little while now, trying to like make it my career. And I think I'm finally like on that first part of the upswing of figuring out how far it goes, instead of trying to just get a benchmarker to prove that I'm like a legit actress or a legit artist. I mean, I made money, needed me some money writing. So, yeah, it's kind of different when you get like the free magazine for me, like reading or like writing the best poem that they put on the front page, which is like really exciting when you're like still doing contests and other things and actually, I don't know, getting paid, like actually making any money, because it is like hard to just make any money. But then after you make any money, it's like, you know, you're no longer the amateur who's enthused by doing this stuff. It's like, now you're an artist, and now all I have to do is legitimize it more and hopefully be like a really cool, successful artist. So, yeah, I don't know, I think I just need some adjusting time. I wrote a blog about this one time, but sometimes even when people get promoted, there's like just kind of a sense of stress and remorse over it. It's like, well, that's actually what the goal is, and so you should be really, 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 really happy. But instead of just being kind of like, I don't know, like all stressed out and stuff. So, anyway, alright. Trees are the answer. You were wondering what that was.